This is my no-nonsense review of the Crown Shades 10x10 pop-up canopy. I bought this canopy on Amazon, and at the time of making this video, it's selling for $143. The Crown Shades 10x10 pop-up canopy is a sturdy canopy that's easy to set up. It's so easy, I can even set this canopy up all by myself. After I take off the stow and go bag, I just walk around the four corners, spreading out the canopy. Now all I have to do is push up on the center button until it locks into place. Each of the four alloy steel legs have 3 height adjustment settings with push button adjusters. The canopy top provides UPF 50 UV protection and is made from some pretty rugged fabric. Crown Shade canopy tops attach to their frames with their Easy Clip system. These fabric clips, along with the roof vent, helps prevent wind lift and helps with rain pooling. My favorite feature of the Crown Shades 10x10 canopy is the tall ceiling. This ceiling is over 9 feet tall. The Crown Shades canopy comes with the canopy itself, the stow and go bag, tent stakes, guy line cordage, and these 4 nice sandbags that go on the legs. I love to use my Crown canopy at the park, in my backyard, or even in my driveway for some shade when I'm trying to do a project. I've been using this canopy for several months now, and to be honest with you, every time I use it, I like it even more. Whenever I find a product that I really like this canopy, I'm gonna share it with you guys. So I'll put an affiliate link down in the video description. If you guys make a purchase through that affiliate link, it helps out the channel with a small commission. I highly recommend the Crown Shades 10x10 canopy.